always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Fox has the number wheel set up. Let's see what today's number will be.
I'm ready, Mr. Goose. Here we go. Today's special number is 10. Okay, Hedgehog. Show me the card with the number 10 on it. I bet I can find it. Oh, there it is. Now let's flip the card over and count how many toes there are. Mr. Goose, can you help me?
Of course. Let's count out loud together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many in all?
10. Hedgehog, you win! Yay, what do I win? I'm going to tickle your toes.
Today's number is 10. Let's explore the island and count together.
Let's count together. 10. There are 10 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many apples in all?
10.
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time!
Let's do the monkey dance! Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 10. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 10 times. Wigglebugs together. 10. There are 10 Wigglebugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many Wigglebugs in all? 10. That's right. Let's take their pictures. Say cheese! Thank you for helping me take that picture.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called The Other Way. Let's find out what happens. Let's begin. The Other Way. Written by Radha Rangarajan, illustrated by Garima Gupta. Tall like a tree, short like grass. Up in the sky is a cloud. Down in the soil is an earthworm. Light like a petal, heavy like a rock. Over the leaf is a caterpillar. Under the leaf is a dragonfly. Quick as a squirrel, slow as a snail. Birds before sunrise, bats after sunset. Above the tree is the moon, below the tree is you. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing If You're Happy and You Know It.
We don't know that song.
Ah, you don't know it yet. I'll teach it to you. I'll sing the first verse, then you sing along with me. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Now, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray!
Now let's do all three.
If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! That was splendid.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hi, Fox. What are you doing? I'm making patterns. Look, I'm making a design with wiggle bugs and birds. Wiggle bug, bird. Wiggle bug, bird. Wiggle bug, bird. Wigglebug? What comes next? I'm not sure. A bird. Let's say the names of each thing together. Wigglebug bird. Wigglebug bird. Wigglebug bird. Wigglebug bird. Oh, I see the pattern. I hear it too. Wigglebug bird. Oh, can I help you make another pattern? Sure. Let's make another pattern with these same things. Bird, bird, wigglebug. Bird, bird, wigglebug. Bird, bird. What comes next? Wigglebug! You got it! Let's say it together. Bird, bird, wigglebug. Bird, bird, wigglebug. Bird, bird, wigglebug. What's the pattern? Bird, bird, wigglebug. Oh, that's it. Oh, can I make a pattern? Sure. Wigglebug, wigglebug, bird. Wigglebug, wigglebug, bird. Wigglebug, wigglebug. Do you know what comes next? A bird. That's it. All together. Wigglebug, wigglebug, bird. Wigglebug, wigglebug, bird. Wigglebug, wigglebug, bird. Can I borrow your glue stick, please? I want to glue these down. Sure. Here you go. Thank you. Wigglebug, wigglebug, bird. Wigglebug, wigglebug, bird. Wigglebug, wigglebug, bird. All done. Do you want to make another pattern? No, I want to go and tell Miss Panda. Miss Panda! Miss Panda! I made a pattern! Bye, Hedgehog! See you later! Bye, friends. See you later, too. Monkey! Monkey! Where is he? Oh, what was that? Did you hear that? Look! Where do you think Monkey is? Yay! Hi, Monkey! Hi, Hedgehog! You found me! No, we found you! Hi!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.